I probably could have had better lighting. Maybe you can see the floor. You can see the dark area, like right here. That still needs some good scrubbing, and on further around back this way. But you can see where I've been scrubbing. That stuff is coming off. It's also kind of messed with the paint through there as well. But that's okay because I'd rather have it be clean than to have the paint on it. Because that was coconut oil, and had over time gotten dirt and mold and who knows what else stuck in it. So what I've been doing is, well, first off, let me show you this. Hopefully you can see it okay. Look how dirty that water is. I used the mop and I had water and just scrubbed this with the with the mop, and I got a lot up, a whole lot up, but that stuff really required some good scrubbing. So what I had to do was I went and found this, which is the Lysol Clean and Fresh Multi-Surface Cleaner. It kills germs even when diluted, but I'm just pouring it straight on there. That stuff's cutting through this, and it's really, really helping. But what I've been doing is I just pour some on there. Don't want it to get on those boxes over there. I pour it on there. No need to let it soak, but I got my brush here. I found that downstairs. And I just start brushing on it. You can see how it's coming up already. The brush works so much better than the mop. But the paint underneath is peeling up, so I figured that stuff had been there so long that it had eaten through the paint. It's not the cleaner that's doing that. It's under the greasy yuckiness of the coconut oil. But the coconut oil they used to pop popcorn in this building. It was originally a church. It was built a long time ago. It was originally a church, and then it became something. Well, it was a church, and then it became sort of a hospital, and then a church, and then storage, and then a church, back and forth. But anyway, it eventually became a popcorn factory. So, a little bit of history. But I'm just going to keep working on this floor until I have all this path done. And where that stuff was really stuck, you can tell the paint's coming up. It's okay. It's my job here is to get this path. I'm hoping to get the path totally done tonight. If I can't get it totally done tonight, so that I can get the work moving stuff, I'll get down here in the morning and start doing some more scrubbing. All right, let me grab a paper towel. So I've been scrubbing that and using a paper towel to kind of wipe it all up. Look at that. Yuck. Thick and gross. But it's coming up, which is very important. Ew. Pile that up over there. Let me get a fresh one. a couple of fresh ones. I'm gonna have to get another pile of these. I gotta run upstairs and grab some more of these. But anyway, look at that. See it? Pretty bad, huh? Yuck. And that's leftovers from the popcorn factory days. You. It's going to take a lot of work to get this done. I didn't want the floor to be too wet because I didn't want it to. It's kind of slanting down. You know, stuff will want to run that way. So I didn't want it to like run off or anything. I want to be able to control the flow of where it comes and goes. But you can tell, definitely got that up. So that's what I'm working on. I gotta get all this done. I gotta get all over in there and scrub all that poo. I just didn't want my pants to be knees on that. So I'm working my way that way and this way with the scrubbing. And I think the scrubbing is just going to, you know, kind of end like right down there where my shadow is, because this was the bad area. And then up underneath these stairs here is where they had stored some of those big 5-gallon cans of coconut oil. And, you know, of course it had leaked and run this way. But that's what I'm working on, trying to get all this up and going. So I guess that's a good update on that. Whoa, man, that's 7 minutes. Seemed like I thought that took only a minute. Okay, talk to you in a little while.